Evo boy or Subi boy? Argue about it in the comment section below. Evo boy.
Evo.
Before we go rip around today and head to the shop, I have some very, very important yet exciting news. And like 5 boxes to open up. Oofy. SK Tools just sent over like a ton of their 100-year anniversary clothing. It's absolutely insane that they've been around for 100 years. Let me get everything opened up and I'll show you guys what I got, and stay tuned. We do have a giveaway with some SK Tools. You don't want to miss this one. All right, here's what we got. Some stuff that's gonna be super freaking useful, especially in the shop. This right here is it's a bar stool, but I'm gonna use it in the shop for like working on random stuff. I don't really have a bar, but I do got a table. So whenever we're building something on the table, we gotta get this thing assembled when we get to the shop. And yeah, that's gonna be super handy. We got a backpack, that's gonna be nice. Very high quality, beefy backpack. We got some shirts, one for me, one for Bobby. And then this is actually something that I have been needing for a very long time. This is a fender cover. So whenever we're working on something in the engine bay, this droops over the fender. As you can see, it's got a nice stitch right there. So yeah, that's gonna droop over the fender just so we don't scratch the paint or mess up the wrap on any of the cars. All this stuff, super freaking handy. Thank you SK for sending this over, really appreciate it guys. I don't think our discount code, which is Devin Niemela, works on any of this kind of stuff, but I know it does work on, of course it works on all the tools, and it's 25% off, which leads me to the next thing. Every time we're in the shop, we use a set of these guys here. So we are gonna be giving away a set of these SK X-frame ratcheting wrenches. And I just realized that these guys are standard. I'm gonna try to get a set of metric in so we can give away a set of metric, because I know pretty much all you guys are JDM boys like me. But let me open these things up. These are the most handy things in the world. Look at that. The amount of throw on these is absolutely insane. You can get in the tightest areas and get anything loose. So freaking nice. When this video is being edited, I'll drop a little note whether or not we're gonna have metric or whether it's gonna be standard. Here's the scoop. We are doing the standard giveaway right now, and then later on, I don't know how long it's gonna take, a couple weeks maybe, we're gonna be doing a set of the metric X-frame wrenches. So we're doing a giveaway right now on the standards, and then yeah, whenever we get the X-frame metrics in, we're gonna give away those ones as well. So enter this giveaway, enter the next giveaway. You might be lucky enough to win both. We're gonna be running this giveaway for 72 hours, 3 total days. All you have to do is be following SK Tools over on Instagram. I will have them linked down below. You have to like this video, so hit the thumbs up button, which I can't confirm if you're gonna do that or not, but just do it, it's part of the rules. And then drop a comment down below and comment what car you drive. And if you don't have a car yet, what is your dream car? When you go to purchase a car, what car do you want to buy? That's all you got to do. We're going to run this giveaway for 3 full days. Make sure you're following SK Tools on Instagram. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and just drop a comment. Let me know what kind of car you're whipping around, or what kind of car you want to whip around. Now, of course, there's only going to be one winner for these X-frames, so everybody else that unfortunately does not win, you can use our discount code, which is DVNIEMELA, and it'll save you 25% off these guys. I know other tools are a little bit more on the expensive side, but I promise you guys, they are the highest quality tool I have ever used in my life. I've used a lot of different brands before, and SK not only are the highest quality, but if you ever break anything, I broke a 2mm Allen wrench the other day, and I got one in the mail right away. So amazing warranty, high quality tools. Go check them out, link down below. All right, let's dip. Also, fair warning, before we dip out, I know you guys want to see the Evo 8 up and running, up and ripping. We are still waiting on some parts. Stuff got overnighted. Today's Monday, so it should be here tomorrow. But still, it's so freaking hot out today that I don't even know if we're gonna even tune the car, because that's how hot it is. I feel like it's not gonna make nearly as much power or be nearly as safe tuning when it's 115 degrees outside. So I'm gonna talk to Chag. Mr. Chag Tune's gonna be taking care of the tune once again. I'll talk to him. Maybe I'll just do it at night when it's like 90. It's a little better, but let's head to the shop. She done gave up the ghost, boys. Should we go get a new device?
Yes.
You too?
Yes.
All right. 3 hours later, and kind of a lot of money later, we got a new iPhone. So Yay. It's kind of a nice blue color already, but I might wrap it to match the Evo. All right, let's get back to work on this thing. So I kind of need to clean up everything that we started yesterday. We have all this wiring. I got to get everything connected. So we got injectors to get connected, crank sensor, and some other stuff. I also am moving the catch can from that strut tower to this side. Much cleaner. Instead of having a hose run from here all the way and just clutter everything up, we have a little hose, a 90 out, dump right down to the catch can, and we'll be good. Much cleaner over there. Kind of had to bend that bracket up to make it work, but we got it to work. Okay, pretty much everything's finished up in the bay. As far as the fuel system goes, the only things left we need to do in the bay is get the catch can installed and that strut tower bar installed, upper intercooler pipe, and we're done. I did decide to change the location for the third time on our catch can. So as soon as that bracket is done being coated, I'll show you guys where we're mounting it. Let's move on to some titanium goodies. You know, when you see that logo, there's gonna be a lot of nice titanium. I feel like we have pretty much the whole JD Customs catalog on this car. Pretty much went on the site and was like, okay, we need all of this stuff for this build. But wait, there's a little bit more. The first thing that I open up is something that we've been needing for years. It's about time we do away with our broomstick and we throw some hood struts on this thing. So I got some nice carbon ones from, I think they're made by Rec Speed, and they were pretty cheap at JD Customs. So that's item number one. Here's a million other things. We'll open that up in a second. This guy right here is exactly what I am after. This is what the freaking car needs. That is the biggest piece of titanium I've ever freaking seen in my life. The bay looks good, but then you add that piece on there, it's like a very nice faceplate pretty much for our bay. And the best part, Boston logo, the She-Built logo, and of course the JDC logo. This color right here matches all of the other blue titanium we have in the bay. So that cap there, all of the hardware, I like it. That looks freaking nuts. I am so glad we went with that piece. This guy right here is actually for Bobby's car, I'm pretty sure, and she doesn't know about it. So whenever I see her next, I'll give her a little gift and see what she thinks. All right, I'm gonna pop all this stuff open, see what we got in store here. Looks like a lot more titanium hardware. This is amazing. I love titanium. Okay, first thing is a Tile BOV banjo bolt. Nice titanium. I'm not gonna say titanium anymore. Another banjo bolt. This is for the wastegate. And then the hardware for the wastegate. Hopefully that hardware fits. It looks small. I hope it fits. Then we have, camber bolt adjustment kit. So these are gonna fit right onto our yellow speed coils. That'll be a nice addition. Map sensor hardware, more Tile titanium hardware. So this is for the actual clamp itself. Some good stuff there. Titanium throttle body. I wasn't gonna say titanium. Throttle body hardware. Last but not least, hardware for the fuel rail. I believe this stuff right here with the riv nuts is gonna be for that faceplate that we're adding on there. Okay, let's get some stuff installed. The first thing I'm gonna do is get these things installed. I'm so sick of using that broom. So, hood dampers it is. Game changer. I dig it. Here is the final look of the bay and everything that we just added. There's a few tiny little things still coming in the mail from JDC, some stuff that was on back order, but they're minor little details. Overall, I think this thing turned out absolutely amazing. That thing right there, game changer. It looks so freaking nice. We got the catch can mounted up, so we actually went behind the strut tower bar. There's just enough space, and it's kind of hard to see. So we just have a straight line right from the valve cover back to the catch can. It's still easy. It's still pretty easy to get to the drain. So everything's good there. Obviously having the struts on this thing now is handy. And yeah, that's about it for working on the 8 today. Nothing else we can do until tomorrow when some new stuff for the fuel system comes in, and we will definitely be getting the first start tomorrow. All of these parts we just installed, I'll have a link down below with my discount code DVNiemela10 to save you 10% off anything over at jdcustomsusa.com. Thank you guys over at JDC for supplying the parts for this build. Freaking game changers. Go get yourself some goods, save 10% off, and you can get your bay looking just like this guy here. That is gonna be a wrap for today, my friends. I went up to the lake yesterday and recorded a bunch of content on my new phone because I thought it'd be good, but apparently I don't know how to use the camera on this thing because the footage looks like butt cheeks. It's all like weird looking, so I'm not even gonna put it in the video. Make sure you enter the SK Tools giveaway. I know today's video is short, tomorrow will be sick. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.